In this video, we are going to see how to separate a value of a single cell into a different cells. For example, in this case, we have in this particular cell, we have a start of the year. We also have the end of the year of a Sachin Tendulkar career for one day cricket. So I want to divide this into a two separate columns. So it is currently showing in one column. So I want to divide it into a two separate columns. So for that, what we will do is we have one option in Excel, so text to column. So we'll utilize that option and we'll divide into a two separate columns. See, normally one or two transaction we can do it easily, but when we have a lakhs of data, so we should use this functionality. So first, I will open one more. Means I will add one more column here. I will just right click, insert. So column has been added. Now I will select this option and go to a text to column. So here delimit, click on next. I will put the separation symbol here. So here it is the separation is hyphen. So I will select in others, I will put a separation as hyphen. Then I will directly click on finish. I will click on OK. So here you will see that the start of the year and the end of the year is showing as separately. So I can put here start and I will put it as end. Okay, so this is how we can add, and there is one more other option we have is, so let's say I will add one more column here because there are three columns which will come once I do that particular thing. So here I will go again text to column and we have a fix with option. So there are sometimes we have to use delimit option where we know there is a specific symbol or a space is dividing. So in that case we can use delimit. And there are some cases where we want to use a fix with option. So select the fix with option, click on next. So just arrow, just click on where you want to separate. So I want to separate these also here. So I'm separating hyphen here with a two different years. Then click on next and click on finish. So it will just ask you a message, click on OK. So you will see that the year, start year and the end year has came up. Column F is not required for me. I will just remove it. So I have a start year and I also have a end year. So this is how we can use text to column to separate any value of a specific field. Thank you.